feeding hungry stray cats. They wait for me every day. This is Lolo, the oldest cat in the area. Putting some more food for them. And more. Hungry babies. Too many cats. More are coming. They are patiently waiting for their turn. Meet Millie, the most vocal cat. She has the loudest meow. This is Luna. And this is Luna's baby Mufasa, Lolo waiting for his turn. Millie wants all the attention. This is Nale, and she is pregnant. Mufasa trying to scare her because he thinks he is the boss here. Meet Jack, the chillest cat. And also the most affectionate. He is Nala's brother. He is here since he was 2 months old. I feed these cats regularly 4 times a day. I try to make sure none of them stay hungry. And also I keep water for them, so they stay hydrated in this hot weather. Happy cats. Now they eat so they are happy and satisfied. Simba the handsome boy. This is Mufasa, Simba's brother, and Luna's son. He has the cutest face. They all keep following me wherever I go. Try to keep food and water for the stray cats around your area in this hot weather. This is the life of these stray cats. They have to survive in this extremely hot weather with no food and water. Many of the stray cats die every day because of lack of food and water. Look at these innocent cats. The least we can do is give them food and water. Many of them get pregnant every 4 to 5 months and have to take care of their kittens as well. Food is almost finished. So I am going to put more so they can eat. So that's it. This is the life of the stray cats. These cute, innocent cats also deserve love.
Shh, 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 shh.